Germany is a leader in innovation and technology, particularly in areas like renewable energy, engineering, and automation. It is home to cutting-edge research institutions and tech companies, making it a hub for innovation in Europe. The country's transportation network is one of the best in the world. Trains are fast, punctual, and connect cities and towns across the country. Germany also has excellent public transportation systems in its cities, including buses, trams, and metros. Germany is a country of high-quality education, with a strong focus on both academic studies and practical training. Universities like the University of Heidelberg and the Technical University of Munich are known for their research and academic excellence. There is also a strong tradition of apprenticeships in Germany, where young people learn trades and skills in real-world settings. The country has a rich culinary tradition beyond sausages and beer. Each region has its own specialties. The Bavarian Alps in the south are perfect for skiing and hiking, while the north has beautiful beaches along the North Sea and the Baltic Sea. The country's forests, such as the Black Forest, are also a popular destination for outdoor activities. In addition to football, Germany is home to other sports like handball, basketball, and ice hockey, and the country regularly hosts international sporting events. Germany is known for its famous festivals, such as Oktoberfest in Munich, where people gather to enjoy beer, traditional foods, and music. Other celebrations include the Christmas markets, held in many cities during the holiday season, offering crafts, food, and a festive atmosphere. Germany is also a country with a growing focus on diversity, with people from various cultures living and working together. Major cities like Berlin, Frankfurt, and Hamburg are known for their multicultural environments and vibrant art scenes. Germany is also famous for its castles, like Neuschwanstein Castle, which inspired Disney's Sleeping Beauty Castle. The country has a variety of beautiful landscapes, from rolling hills in the south to the flat plains in the north. The Rhine River is one of the most famous waterways in Germany, known for its picturesque towns and vineyards. Germany is a global leader in renewable energy and sustainability. The country is investing heavily in wind and solar power to reduce its carbon footprint. It is also known for its efficient recycling system, which helps to minimize waste. The German education system is highly respected worldwide, with a strong focus on vocational training. Germany also has many world-class universities, attracting students from all over the world. The country's public transportation system is extensive and reliable, making it easy to travel by train, bus, or tram. The Autobahn, Germany's famous highway system, is known for sections with no speed limit. Germany is a country in Central Europe. It is known for its rich history, strong economy, and beautiful landscapes. The capital of Germany is Berlin, a city famous for its history, culture, and the Berlin Wall. Germany has 16 states, each with its own government. The country has a population of about 83 million people. German is the official language, and the currency is the euro. Germany is famous for its cars, with companies like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Volkswagen. It is also known for beer, sausages, and Oktoberfest, a big beer festival. Germany has many castles, forests, and mountains, like the Black Forest in the Alps. The country has a strong education system and is home to many famous universities. Germany is a leader in science, technology, and environmental sustainability. The country also has a great public transportation system, making it easy to travel around. Germany is a member of the European Union and plays an important role in world politics. Germany's cuisine offers a wide range of regional flavors and is known for its hearty and flavorful dishes. In the southern regions, you'll find foods like sausages, schnitzel, and pretzels, while the northern part of Germany offers lighter, fish-based dishes. For dessert, Germany is famous for cakes like the Sachertorte and the aforementioned Black Forest cake. Germany's focus on the arts is reflected in the many film festivals and cultural events that take place throughout the year. The Berlinale, or Berlin International Film Festival, is one of the world's leading film festivals and attracts filmmakers and movie lovers from across the globe. The country also has a rich history of theater, with playwrights like Bertolt Brecht and Friedrich Schiller, whose works are still performed today. Germany also has a reputation for being environmentally conscious. It was one of the first countries to develop a nationwide recycling program and is known for its efforts to combat climate change. Germany is a country deeply connected to its past, with many museums and historical sites preserving its history. The country also has numerous war memorials, reflecting on its role in both world wars, and offering visitors a chance to learn from history. Germany has a unique tradition of craftsmanship and design, with high-quality products made in fields like furniture making, watchmaking, and glass blowing. The country is known for its engineering excellence, especially in the automotive industry, where it produces some of the most well-known luxury brands like Audi, Porsche, and BMW. German architecture is a blend of historical and modern styles. In cities like Berlin, you can find a mix of old buildings dating back centuries, and contemporary designs by famous architects like Norman Foster and Daniel Libeskind. The modern architecture of Germany's cities reflects the country's forward-thinking mindset. While its historic landmarks remind visitors of its long and complex history, Germany also has a vibrant modern music scene, with popular genres including techno, electronic music, and indie rock. Germany is a country that values sustainability and the environment. The government and citizens have made significant efforts to protect natural resources, reduce pollution, and promote eco-friendly practices. The country has been a leader in the global push for reducing carbon emissions and developing sustainable technologies. Germany's social welfare system is one of the most advanced in the world. It offers health care, unemployment benefits, and pensions to its citizens, ensuring that everyone has access to support when needed. Finally, Germans are proud of their traditions and heritage. They celebrate important events and holidays with family and friends, and there are numerous national holidays like Unity Day, celebrating the reunification of the country, and Christmas, which is marked by festive traditions and decorations. Germany's commitment to sustainability is also reflected in its food culture, with a growing trend towards organic food and locally sourced produce. Many Germans prioritize healthy eating, with an emphasis on seasonal fruits and vegetables. Farmers markets are common in cities and towns, where people can buy fresh, organic products directly from local growers. The country has a strong tradition of craftsmanship, especially in regions like the Swabian Alps, where artisans create high-quality wooden products and handmade goods. German beer is internationally famous, and the country has a rich brewing tradition with over 1,500 breweries. It is home to many types of beer, including Pilsner, Bock, and wheat beer. The beer purity law, known as the Reinheitsgebot, has been in effect since 1516, ensuring the quality of beer made in Germany. Germany is also a country known for its innovative design, with brands like Braun and Porsche making a global impact. Germany's commitment to education is seen in its excellent school system and universities, which are known for their high standards. Many of the world's top engineering and scientific minds come from German universities. Additionally, the country has a tradition of vocational training, offering young people the opportunity to learn practical skills in fields like carpentry, plumbing, and electrical work. The country's commitment to innovation extends to the digital and technology sectors as well. Berlin has become a global startup hub, attracting entrepreneurs and investors from all over the world. The country also leads in areas like artificial intelligence, robotics, and green technologies, helping to shape the future of global industries. Finally, Germany's public transportation system is one of the most efficient in the world. This makes it easy to travel across the country, whether for work or leisure. Germany's commitment to art and culture is evident in its many vibrant festivals throughout the year. The country is famous for hosting events like the Bayreuth Festival, which celebrates the works of composer Richard Wagner, and the Leipzig Bach Festival, which honors the music of Johann Sebastian Bach. These events attract thousands of visitors and music lovers from all over the world, showcasing Germany's rich musical heritage. In addition to music, Germany has a thriving theater scene, with cities like Berlin, Hamburg, and Munich being home to world-renowned theaters. The Berliner Ensemble, for example, was founded by Bertolt Brecht, and remains one of the most influential theater companies in Europe. The country is also famous for its operas, with the Bayreuth Festival and the Stuttgart Opera being two of the most prestigious in the world. Germany is a country where the arts are highly respected, with many public museums and galleries offering free or discounted admission. Germany's commitment to art and culture is evident in its many vibrant festivals throughout the year. The country is famous for hosting events like the Bayreuth Festival, which celebrates the works of composer Richard Wagner, and the Leipzig Bach Festival, which honors the music of Johann Sebastian Bach. These events attract thousands of visitors and music lovers from all over the world, showcasing Germany's rich musical heritage. In addition to music, Germany has a thriving theater scene, with cities like Berlin, Hamburg, and Munich being home to world-renowned theaters. The Berliner Ensemble